Hi guys, hey, welcome, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god. People, I mean, not even, I'm gonna say the last time I took up my device to record was XYZ and XY this and that. But however, I have like attempted to do vlogs, but it's like I'm having an issue where it comes down to if I don't edit the video right after I record it, it goes up in iPhone storage and downloading it take from now till next year, and we can't get them something done. So what I decided to do that, listen, I'm just gonna start over every single thing, delete all of them video there. It's not no whole heap of video, because just like about 2 weeks ago I attempted to record. I did the video, but when I went about like 1 week after, because the editing too, it's not in my spirit since lately. It has not been in my spirit since lately for just like edit, work with the YouTube, because things at school, at work has been like, you know, having my brain constantly going left, right, just my emotions all over the place, just me being all over the place and every single thing, trying to figure out if this is what I really want to do, trying to figure out, okay, I don't have a choice at this point right now, so how is it that I get in the vibe, the drive, everything, just to get myself together to make sure I am making all the ends that I need to make meet, right? So yeah, so this video is like an update video, like a day in my life vlog and all them, because something we're gonna do every little thing when we can try and fit in for this vlog, because I would love to post this vlog tonight for Uno get it. So as I said, it's an update video. For the first update that is so evident, Uno must can tell this don't look like nothing when we did the day before or anything like that. So yeah, we officially move out of the house we did live in at, where we did want to move out for so long. But they make one video about it, say we want to move and everything happened bad. But you know what I'm saying? Nothing don't happen until it's time. Because when we reach, it's just like where we are now, I call it home, even though I know my place and everything, I still call it home, but I pay my rent and everything. It's just like I am at peace. I love the space. I love where I'm at. Everything just seems to be working out just well. So yeah, we moved into a bigger place, nicer space, everything good about it. Just look a few little hiccups, which I'm not going to disclose here, but them the hiccups, they can be fixed, and you know, everywhere you go you have to work in and fit in until everything, and you get used to everything. Yeah, so we moved. Like, the apartment is, for me, it is coming on, you know, in not evil, it's 85% there. So 15% would be like little things to go up on the wall, little things to make everything fit in and unique and all of that, you know. Yeah, full organization. No, did it. It is close, but you know, did it full on. Alright. The second update that I have for you guys is that I bought a car. I bought a car. My face dry because wake up and wash my face and put on the scrub, then me use the face wash, then me put on the toner, so my face dry, but me don't stray away from it. I bought a car. Guys, if you know me from day one, a car would have been one of my main things to really get me. Feel like my face dry, man. want to look at moisturizer. I'm not getting to know. Yeah. Make a moisturize my face and come back. Yeah, I kind of feel look better now. Yeah. Tash bought a car. I'll show you it when I'm going on the road a little bit from now. Going to meet up with mommy in Linstead and all of that. So you guys will see mommy in the vlog. Hopefully, remember to vlog. Girl, you need to remember to vlog. I'll show you it. I give you a little car tour, even though in the dirty. I want clean out because I would have had my car since Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 5 days now in the dirty because I take on the journey for go school. And I'll give you all the thing. I will give it a name. I will tell her what I would name it and everything. So and me and babe name it. So I bought a car and I'm so happy about that. I'm super happy. So I'll give you that update today, as well as I want to go to the nail tech. I wanted to go to Clarendon to see my mother, but however, she said she coming to Linstead. So I definitely forgot that I wanted to go do my nails and all of that. You know, put a look at tips because it's been a while. Last night I do my ear because me I said, girl, you need to do better. It's been so long since me not do my ear. I'm gonna put on a wig, I'm gonna do nothing. I have been feeling like I was like draining because moving, then starting out the car, I'm up on the road, up and down, feel like almost literally 2 months doing the process, and everything was like it never stressful to the point where I feel like I just can't be bothered, but everything come with them little hiccups, and it came with its little hiccup. And trust me, when you're buying a car, you need to make sure that the people them will give you the paper, the documentation, make sure everything is matching, make sure not missing from the fitness, because when you go for register a license your car, especially if you're not buying nowhere near to where you come from, and you have to be up and down, that's crazy. That is crazy. You understand me? Yeah. Another update too, for a few days I was like sick out because I just have a little thing about me. Currently right now I'm not feeling too bad, because even going to school on a Thursday, I vomit up one of my work clothes and all of them look at something there, and I was so sick. And currently I am feeling a little better, much better. Only problem I'm currently having right now, being open with you, is that I when I woke up Thursday morning, to the extent of how sick I was, I forgot that you can, if you know Baragin, you cannot take the pill Baragin on an empty stomach. But to myself, I was thinking that I was gonna take a shower and have my my breakfast for go work. But in such a short little time, by taking a shower, and coming out of the shower, everything went sideways. For me to myself, while brushing my teeth, and then couldn't eat the breakfast, you know, nothing on my stomach. On my way to work, me did a travel, and me just rest back for like about 30 seconds to 45 seconds. I'm saying no, you don't say me lie down, you know, I'm not lie. And I got up instantly because me say me feel bad. Yes, better. I had a bag and I had to throw everything out of the bag and vomit in the bag. Vomit up all of my clothes. I was sick for the entire day. I was sick for the day after, but me still pushed through. Me still do what me have to do. So yeah, those are some little updates. Babe gonna play football. That not new to nobody. That not new. Cap not new to the channel. Yeah, and if you're new to the channel, Mrs. enough people that are new, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Wanna go and join in when girl have everything. For those who there from girl a walk, from girl live round at the house with the red floor, and we had to linoleum it. Red floor in terms of like them all long time red tile, not polished floor. Not that bad. Because that was what was open at the time. I would cover with linoleum because the bathroom did well tile out. So those who know the story know it already. And if you want to go check up with that story and catch on from way back from me, I come back to here. So go watch all of them vlog when we moved to the apartment till we moved to another apartment. And after you grow, money start coming. As audience, I buy too much crutches so them can't fit and everything get too small. So now with the years so now. And yeah, so if no landlord hiccups not come along, then this would be our place for a while until whatever life has to offer. So yeah, so as I said, I'm now killing the vlog with about 10 minutes chatting got already, and the time is currently 8:22. My watch a charge and I got to look at tidying up before babe come back from football. And yeah, so I'm not sure if I'm showing the tidying up, I'm not sure if I'm showing the one I'm house as yet, but let's see how that part go. Alright, forward, big up everybody, as we did say before. I don't want to cut out the party. Big up new all and everybody. Yeah, big up. Let's be a little dark because the sun not come out yet. This house is like a full-blown sun house where it has its own natural light. But until the sun is out, we want to try to work with the light from the fan. Something I need to put out there. So I bought these peach, right? I am assuming that these are not peach, these are nectarine. Why am I think I did peach them? Come here and say, oh, them here taste like. Hey, I was just about to blow up Mega Mart, you know. I'll go off for Mega Mart just now, you know. I can't even bother. Because I always say, you know, when I go and I say, these look like peach, and I see some other ones. I say, but probably one just look riper than one. So that's what I was thinking. But I'm a peach and nectarine. Come to tell say, I go buy them peach here, which would have been the first time I have the bad experience buying the peach at. But I don't know how jump on my head when I think those are peach too as well. They're nectarine. I don't like nectarines. Them when I like the texture, anything that seems like it's too ripe or too whatever, that's just not me. I can't process none of those stuff in my body. Like, yeah. So on another episode of whatever is going to be in the stomach for today. Not for me though. Let's say Odin. KFC. KFC. This is a zinger purchased from last night. Odin's mom was here. This is a 2-piece thing, or is this mine? I bought a 1-piece because honestly I was not feeling the KFC vibe, so I just never bother, and it's a box empty. So I'm just not feeling the KFC, and I bought KFC on. I bought KFC when did I buy KFC? I bought KFC on Thursday evening because the students at school wanted to get KFC for them, so I did that. Somebody KFC Thursday, so I'm gonna feel like I want KFC last night. Yeah, and I like KFC, Wendy's, every fat thing. I let her go on with me. That's why I'm so fat in them areas. I'm fat. If you see me, I'm so fat. Like, I put on so much weight. I've been telling baby, we need to go to the gym. This can't work. This not gonna work. It can't work. So, another episode of what's going on in the life. KFC is going on in the life like almost every weekend. Cause we already cook these days, so in the week you come home exhausted and everything, and as I said, we'll be running up and down trying to start out the car and all of that. So that's why I've been eating a lot of fat food, and it work fast pan the body, walk fast, especially me. If you don't get so watch ya double chin, all the one a big and the one a girl. But you need to do better, and I'm going to do better because I can't afford to go fit through the door of nothing. And when people see me, I feel embarrassed, because if I'm too fat, I feel extremely embarrassed, especially for the type of clothes that I like to wear. So yeah, little sunshine come in. So when the day lights up, we can get like a sunshine. Yep, and the view would be the neighbor's house. One lawn, which is a make. So, yep, I'm gonna open the window. So the window is opened. And that is that. In the meantime, I want like a niceness. So give me a little air freshener. Yeah, guys, you know what I've been saying, that I think it's fair enough for me to like literally work on myself, know that I would have moved for something like, you know, these major milestones out of the way that made it really want to sort out, like move, get a car and all of that. I've been saying that no, when I reach the stage of perfection in terms of the house, you know what, I'll come back in. I'll come back after, because I was going to do the bed while, but so imperfection around the place, in terms of imperfection not me in the place, like some stuff thrown down. I'm gonna wish to display that, so I'll come back probably when make an exit the house or something. Alright guys, so currently I'm on the road. I'm currently at the nail tech. Boy, it looks like night will catch me. Left me out from after 12. And it literally look like night will catch me. The nails them blow on already. But I'm gonna get a pedicure and that not start yet. So I mean that is going to help to take up the whole of the time. Yeah, I'm in Linstead. I'm showing up. That's a craziness of Linstead town and everything. The market there, so. But me just hang on because I really want to get the video on the foot, so that's what's up here. That's really what's up. So me just wait. Back with another update for the day. So I'm gonna park all the way down the road from the nail tech, right? It's about a good almost 8-minute walk, and it's kind of far, so I think that I'm going to be very afraid. And it looks like somebody blocked me in down here, so watch here. Somebody blocked me in too. Somebody blocked me in. Two persons block me in. See me here coming out. The man blocked me in. I tell him something I come out, so he needs to let me out now. Hot. My God. Huh? Can you imagine if I came here and he was not here? It's hot like a fire. Me think me should really got me out because I'm so annoyed. Like, oh God, I'm so annoyed. The plan now is to go back all around because, as I said, I was parked at the exact exit point of Linstead. So me I go around. Hopefully, I can find a closer point. I'm wondering what time used to be close. So if I could park there, because that would be a very close point for me. The native was saying I could park on the street in Linstead Market under the, but I know people stay. I know people be like passing, rubbing them stuff on the car, and I don't want nobody to scratch it up. Yeah. So it not look like me not gonna leave until 7 o'clock. I'm really so annoyed. I really want them to get done, but it's like the waiting, the extra long time. Like it cheese me, piss me off. Puppy out of the road. So my oily, my greasy bad because the art in the nail shop art like I started off as a vlog on a good vibe, but now I'm literally not on a good vibe. Now let me go through Market Street. Now I wonder what is it like through the street here, because it's Saturday evening, so the traffic could be. Let me just go home, you know. Oh my God. Alright, so it's the next day, next morning. Never get to do everything at the vlog yesterday because, as you guys can see, I was pretty miserable. But these are the short set that I got done for both hands. Same thing over Here, I don't realize me there the window, the blinds, because the little light in the sun that come up at the house here. So yeah, kind of that's unique. And my toes are just like, before them want to shave, but I got a set of gel polish. So that's my pedicure set. And I got my foot bottom done yesterday too. Honestly, appropriate for sure now. Boy, then I look bad at all. They look properly done. It's soft and nice. So my foot them, and you can shave my foot them. So this is what happened yesterday for my toes, and my fingers and my foot bottom. So yeah. And now today's Sunday morning, and I'm currently in the kitchen about to make some pancake. Do you like pancake? Let me know. And if you like pancake, what's your favorite? I like these regular pancakes, and then sometimes I mix them with peanut butter. Yeah, but I think I'm going to do that this morning, guys. It's a quick thing I'm going to do, and have it with some jerk chicken that's left over from last night. This is babe woman in a touch on it. So yeah, so I'm gonna make some pancakes. Babe, I like pancakes, so I'm not for sure this is not gonna be his favorite breakfast menu right now because you're so wet. But that's what's up for the morning. So when I finish with the breakfast and everything, me shown, I'm still gonna show on the car, or I want them to do a car tour. Differently, I'll see how that goes for throughout the rest of the day. Alright. So on another episode of fruits that we bought in Mega Mart, be a peel the honeydew and say it fresh. Have you ever tried honeydew? Do you like honeydew? So the little thing on honeydew is that if it's white, then it's sweet. If it's green like this, it's fresh. So you never look and say green like that. Eh? You never say green like that? Fresh. You have one bigger bump in your feet. Fierce. So I got these in Linksted yesterday, but I forgot to take them out of the car. Some fresh scallion on thyme, some hot peppers. So this was $100 a bag for the peppers. This amount is $100 worth of scallion and thyme. This is 2 pounds of tomato. I got 1 pound for $100, so $200 worth of tomato, which would make it 2 pounds of tomato. My boy was not the butter, you know. You know, want them set up that spoil up. Even though the butter in the refrigerator. I got 1 bag of garlic for $100. Cute, funny little joke with this. If it's a joke to you. So the man say, how much you want for the garlic? Him say, $150. Me say, alright. Me I walk off. Him say, how much you have? Me say, I have. He say, if you have 100, I must come. So me turn back. When me I go for the garlic, and him say, 120. Me say, yes, sir, if me have 100, I must come. 500, I come with now. When me I tell him, I want to go back. Me say, give me a you can come back feed for $100. And this is 1 pound of onion, the smaller ones. I think the small, these ones are called shallots, if I'm not wrong. I work on Traverse. I think these ones are shaped with their shallots, but you know, Jamaican people don't differentiate it. They just say onion, $100 pound, $200 pound. Yes, so, and the bag is empty. So that's that for the bag. And I got some nice beef yam from my grandmother yesterday. I haven't got a chance to look on those. I need to go look at those. So I'm going to pop up these in the fridge. Yeah. Another thing to guys. Don't be stupid like me in this one moment and it catch me. You see me, I'm the type of person. I check expiry date, I check receipt, I check everything. Cause nobody now rob me for my little half a brother me I work for. The one time I'm gonna check my receipt and make sure I say, because what I normally do, I don't normally check it as I step out of the store. Sometimes I'll keep it and then, you know, review it like when I get home or probably the next day. So with me being so not careful, me dash the receipt. Don't, as me reach home, me throw it, so me I clean out the car. To try the cheese the next day, we were making some, I don't remember what we were making. I think it was hamburgers or something, I don't remember. When we look, the cheese now pull out of the bag. Right? This is the Anchor brand cheese. We bought it in Champion. Yes, so we look and realize the cheese look funny. I said, oh, this can't right. But I go check it expired. When you check the cheese expired, the cheese expired from the 14th of March 2022. Can't carry back. Kawa. You know for full self, dash for the receipt. I want to make sure I check the things before I left the store them. So this cheese is just going to have to go in the trash because it's no good. Alright, so hey guys. So I'm about to show you some aspects of the car, because I have been thinking about probably when I get all I need to get for the car, like some unique stuff, I might do a car tour, so I won't expose everything there is to expose about the car. However, I'm just going to show you some cool features. So the first thing that you want to know, that this is a underfit hybrid. So it's a underfit hybrid. So it has a few unique things about it, that if I was not going to get a underfit hybrid, I wanted a Honda Grace hybrid. When I hear about hybrid cars, some persons are not really crazy about it, because they say the battery costs a lot when the battery is out. But if the hybrid can help me to save a little penny on gas, and when the battery time to buy, kind of like the battery, I'll just get up and done every minute. Oh my god, I'm so hashy. And I like the battery, I'll just get up and done every month and every whatever no. Like it's going to be like 3 years, I heard. That's what I heard. I have not proved it for myself as yet. Yeah, so if that's like a little thing where people like make it be a problem, I don't let it be a problem for me, because I don't mind make up on the run and forgot to buy the pill, but then the money done. So sorry to continue the video with that. I just remember because I just got back home. So I'm going to turn on the camera and show you like the few little things that I wish to share. So one thing about it is that I really wanted the sports, like the sports, the Honda Fit Hybrid Sports, where you would have at least one side or both sides of the steering coming with turn on the AC, coming with steering control, because I want to be driving and can turn up, turn down my volume instead of to be over here. Yeah, over this side it is they show you where they, what do you call it now, they call this automatic shift, whatever, automatic gear, whatever. Yeah, so it shows you everything, as you can see, and it shows you based on direction of how they're supposed to stay, because it is not just one of those regular whatever. You have to, let me show you an example. So I'm touching on the brake, and to get it over into drive, I have to come this way and come down. See, to get it into reverse, I have to come this way, so I come and go up. So now it's now in reverse, right? To put it in park, I just press P and it's back in park. Another thing about this car that makes me go crazy, I'm really in love with it, is that the hybrid feature, because it's eco. I'm not sure if the regular ones, the regular Fit, are the same. So it's eco. That's why you have the little leaf right there. That makes the car, I'll be in here and the car goes silent and you think the car is off, but it's not off. That's just because it's an energy saving car, so it just goes silent, you know. I'll be in here, like for example, I'm outside, me just come to the car to start the car, and you'll be leaning up on the side Like on this side, you don't even know that the car start. You just see car move. It's silent, like start really silent. And another little thing I'm gonna show you. It's just like the AC part. It's touch, all touch. I like those little things about it. It makes it very unique. And like a radio. And I have a little air freshener right here for the AC blow on it. Nice up in here. So that's a little update on my car, my first car. I keep forgetting to say the one and most important thing is thank God for this. I realized that the one of the video I say thank God for the car. I thought what the camera showed me excitement and everything, which God know me very, very, very appreciative of what He has put me on this earth to do, where I'm able to feel comfortable. Alright, listen. I never know able to tell a while ago the car silent, like me turn off the AC. No noise, you know. Listen, and I'm going to put it in drive now. It's in drive, right? No noise, you know. And look, the car drive and you don't even know. Yes, let me tell you. It has those really nice, cool features about it. So put it back in the park and break up. Turn up the AC, look at it. Yeah, so it has those little nice things. So because of how weird it is, and not weird, but because we're not used to it, and the first year, like, we don't have like a car coming in the house, so being like this first ever, you know, hybrid, understood it and everything, and the eco-friendly car, whatever, he gave the car the name Spacey. So this is Spacey, my Spacey, and I love it. Yeah, it wasn't the first choice, but I'm still grateful because I like it. I'm growing on it. So that's the update for this vlog. I'm going to cook my Sunday dinner. I tell babe to start. Hopefully he did. If you're new, please do big up yourself. I am Dominique, for those who are seeing me for the first time. And when I say see me for the first time, like a actual video, we are big up the new subscriber them who they are in at 2,570 odd, something like that, right? Big up on yourself for the long time subscriber them who there from day one, from Walkfoot days, from rental care days, from father care to having a car in the household. Big up on yourself. We have a lot of more surprises coming along. Stay tuned for all of those. And look at me of them, just little and unique Chardonnay. So big up on yourself. I'm not gonna keep no longer waiting until another video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you. Take care.